Hello everyone, how are you all? So, welcome back to my channel. My name is Shweta Kumari and you're watching me Glossary of English. So, today without any further delay, let's get started. But if you are very interesting in the video, this is a very important topic. So, till the end, stay it and just listen to carefully. Okay? So the topic is how to develop a habit for speaking English. Okay, let's talk it. When I push yourself, when you are push yourself to build any new habit, बिल्कुल बिल्कुल बहुत ही डिफ़िकल्ट होता है ये, ठीक है, बट इट do not be impossible. Okay, when you make a habit with a very small steps. Okay, take it a very do not high and bulky, you just take it very simple step like I do. You just say it, today I make a to-do list. Okay, just like me, and I do 5 minutes daily speak in English, just like I was just see an example to you. Okay, do it one day, it is clear, you have just stick it. And the second, I speak in English in 5 minutes. Okay, take it day 2, day 3, day 4, day 5, you take it yourself. Okay, when you feel very, do not take a burden, you just feel happy and do it 1 week. I just suggest for you 30 days. Okay, it is when you starting, it is very difficult, yes, seriously, because when any person make a new habit, so in the initial days make a very important and feel like just give up. People feel like just give it, but you have to just push yourself in initial days. You are done and you, I really suppose it, you do it. Okay, and the second is establish daily schedules. Okay, every person make a to-do list and establish your daily schedule. That I give example for you, that this my morning times 8 a.m. to 9 a.m. Okay, I do this reading a book. Reading a book, it is very boring, I know, but when you practice daily, you do it daily, you make it a very thing. And so when you reading a book, okay, just like take an example, you feel initial days very hard. Okay, but when you are doing daily, you take it a very easily, you feel like easily and you do it, and just do it, push yourself and do not waste time. Okay, so next is your use to-do list. What take you, I give a solution for you. And first is your to-do list. Take it example, I read book 1 page. Okay, and you have to listen podcast and listen whatever you feel better and you feel comfortable, but see with subtitles. Okay, these two things are go. And in the evening you take it, you have to evening, you just take a simple, you have to speak. Okay, take any topic and speak it. Okay, if you are doing wrong, if you are doing it right, whatever it is, you just speak up. Okay, and you will speak with. Another time your fourth is to-do list, writing. Okay, write a journal, write a positive affirmations, write a gratitude. Okay, write you just take for the, take it up, build yourself, believe in yourself. Okay, so when you believe in yourself, you do it. Okay, I know it, you do it. One day you do it, definitely. It will initial this like you do very things, other things. So what is the your first is define what you want to achieve and why you are learn this language. Number 2, establish a daily schedule. Okay. Number 3, to-do list. Use to-do list. Okay, daily. Do not skip any day. Okay. And you just when you're taking, you just believe yourself that this work I will done it today, and next day I just do it definitely. And you just take it take it action. When you see your result outcomes, you just believe in yourself and build your confidence inside. Okay, so this is important to make us use to-do list. Number 4, identify what distracted you. What number 1 is your Android phone. You know it. When you are learn English, when you speak English, when you practicing is, do not distract with your phone. You just use only with your Android phone your camera. You just speak in English and take it a positive. Okay, positive. When you are trying to speaking practicing in English, you just see yourself and observe yourself. Okay, when you are speaking, do not distract any one person like your family, like any other. Okay, you just say it, go it and say it. Please do not disturb to me 5 minutes. Okay, because it is very important for me, for my career and for my growth. Okay, you just take it as say only 10 minutes, 5 minutes, it's enough. This is do not distract any one person. Okay, and the last one is your patience and believe yourself. Okay, patience, it is very heavy word, bulky word, but patience it, अगर आप धैर्य रखेंगे, it is mean you know it, अगर आप धैर्य रखोगे तो आप ज़रूर सीखोगे. समझे आप? क्योंकि नई चीज़ सीखने में हमें बहुत समय लगता है, बहुत सारी परेशानियाँ आती हैं. ओके, बट इट विल टेक टाइम. ये समय ज़रूर लेगा. एंड वन डे यू बिकम अ वेरी फ्लुएंट इन इंग्लिश, और एक दिन आप ज़रूर इंग्लिश बोल पाएंगे. एंड दिस ऑल ऑफ दिस आपको अपनी हैबिट अच्छी करनी. यू टेक इट अ गुड हैबिट फॉर यू and your career and your growth also. Okay, so and believe in yourself. खुद पर विश्वास रखो. अगर आप खुद पर विश्वास रखोगे, जितना आप दूसरों पे विश्वास रखते हो, तो आप ज़रूर सीख पाओगे इंग्लिश. ओके, so if you like my work, if you helpful this video, so subscribe my channel and just hit the like button and on the notification bell also. Thank you so much and see in the next video. Take care of yourself. Keep learning, keep growing.